All right, this video is to help you create a PDF of your performance task for AP Computer Science Principles. What I have here for you is I have the AP PT CodePrint page, and then I also have a code.org page opened up to a random program that we made throughout the year. This is from Unit 6, Lesson 8, for the make when it comes to loops. So what we're going to do here is, let me go back to the CodePrint. If you notice here, it just starts with some sample text. So what I need to do first is I want to delete it out. So if I highlight anywhere in, I hit Control A, and then I'm going to hit Delete to take it out. I'm going to go over to code.org. Same thing, Control A to highlight, Control C to copy. Go back to the CodePrint, Control V to paste it. Font size, you have a little slider here where you can play with it. I'm going to choose to do mine at 14 just to make it a little easier on the reader to read. They generally have a long day when it comes to reading these things, so let's just make it easy on them. I'm going to give my project a title. It's whatever you title the program. So this was a random wallpaper generator. And then I am going to, in the other text, put AP CSP performance task and just do PT. So that way you can kind of see it here, right? And then all I have to do is hit the print button. And if you notice, generally you'll have your printers here, or in Chrome you have save PDF. I'm going to choose to save it as PDF. I give it a quick look over. Everything looks fine. I'm going to hit the save button, and then I'm going to save it. And what you want to do is just call it something good, AP CSP, and then I'll call it -PT. Don't put your name, don't put any other identifiers in it. Maybe I'll just do code as well. So now it's saved as a PDF. Okay, let me open up a file or my window so we can take a peek at it. So there it is, and when I double click on it, I now have a PDF of the code that I've written. All right, thank you for watching.